Hi everyone, my name is Alessia and I am Calumet College Council's Commuter Rep for the year. Today we're going to be going on a tour of Calumet College and we're going to see if we can find a first year student who needs some guidance. Oh hi, how are you? Are you new here? Do you go here?
Yeah, hi.
What's your name?
My name is Kyle.
Hi Kyle, nice to meet you. I'm Alessia. Would you like to take a tour of Calumet College?
I have to go to class.
It's okay, come with me. It's okay.
The class is out.
No, you look lost and confused. You know, I can show you around. It's okay, let's go. Come. All right, this way. Come, don't be shy. We've arrived at our first destination. This is the Faculty of Health's Office of Student and Academic Services, more commonly known as OSAS.
That's right, Alessia. This is where you can ask questions about your major, program, and degree. You won't need to stress knowing these helpful professionals are ready to assist and advise you.
All right, thank you for that information. That's very helpful. So we've arrived at the next stop on our tour. But this one we have to be quiet for, okay? Just quiet, okay?
Huh?
If you're ever in need of a quiet place to study, room 127 is available for you and your academic needs.
Where are you going? We're still not done our tour. We gotta go to the next stop. Come, let's go, come. All right, this is our next stop. We have arrived at the Wellness Lounge. The Wellness Lounge is open on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And this, honey, this is the place for you because you're gonna be stressed and this is where you're gonna need to be, I'm telling you. They have food, they have tea, it's just a nice place to de-stress. No, unfortunately it's not open now, but when it is, I'll take you there, okay? Okay.
This is a space for students to relax, participate in stress reduction activities, and ask questions related to health and wellness.
I have to go to class.
Don't worry about class. We are at the Wellness Lounge right now. We're gonna go to our next stop, okay? And then you can go to class. Class can wait, Kyle. Class can wait. Okay, so this is one of my favorite spots in Calumet College. This is room 100, and it's a place where you can go just to relax in between classes, to meet new people, and I'm gonna show you some groovy activities.
How do we get here? What happened?
It's the magic of FROSH, Kyle. Anyway, let's continue with the tour. So in your leisurely time here in room 100, you can play pool if that's something you enjoy.
Where are my books? I need to study.
What books? Another activity to do in room 100 is foosball.
This is great, but can I skedaddle anytime soon?
No, you have time, relax, it's okay.
How do you keep doing this?
It's the magic of FROSH, Kyle. I keep telling you. Anyway, this is room 100's multi-purpose television.
Oh, yeah, I like TV, yeah.
Yeah, let's see what's on. Wow, it's my favorite show.
This is great and all, but can you snap me into class, please?
No, next activity, let's go. Or you can play ping pong.
How do I get here? How am I playing?
What a beautiful day to be in the Calumet courtyard amongst the Calumet residences.
It's pretty, yeah.
Yeah, which one do you live in?
Number 12.
Oh, that's a nice one. I visited that one.
It's comfy, yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. All right, on to our next stop. Come, Kyle, come.
Can I leave? The class is over. Can I go now?
That's perfect because we've arrived at the last stop on our tour. We've arrived at the Calumet College Council office, room 122.
What does council do?
That's a great question, Kyle. What does council do?
Calumet College Council is responsible for preserving and building the community for you, the student. CCC offers many opportunities to participate in academic, athletic, and social events for the Calumet student body.
Let's take a look inside. We can meet the O-Chair and the President.
Wait.
Follow me.
If you're going into your first year at York University, you're quite fortunate to start your journey here in Calumet College. Well, that concludes our tour. Thanks again to Alessia for showing us around Calumet College. Stay tuned for next time when we meet our President and O-Chair.